In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can clear your cache here on Windows 10. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now to get started, you're going to want to make sure that you don't have anything else open up in the background since we want to do this properly and not have to worry about any other files running. But essentially what you're going to want to do is go down to the very bottom, find your search bar and just type in disk cleanup and hit enter. Once it does enter up, it should go ahead and pull up a disk cleanup page, and yours might not look exactly like this and it might have multiple drives on it. In my case, I only have the 1C drive right now, so I'm going to go ahead and have that opened up, but select whatever drive is usually your main drive and open it up, and Windows is now going to essentially scan your system for files that can be safely removed. Once the list appears, you're going to want to look for things like your DirectX SATA cache, your temporary files, and any other cache related files in here, or just check all of these boxes right here. Once you do check them all, go ahead and select OK and then hit delete files, and it's going to go ahead and immediately start removing those files for you. This is completely safe. It's not going to damage your computer or anything, and it is going to clean up any of those unnecessary cache files that can clog up storage and slow things down here on your PC. When it disappears, you're good to go. If you have multiple drives, repeat this same step and make sure everything is running smoothly and no storage is being wasted. But that is it. Your cache is now going to be cleared here on Windows 10. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.